Hi, my name is Jessica Gallatin. This is for VETT 221, and we're going to go ahead and pre-medicate our patient with hydromorphone with a dose of 0.05 mg per kg, and the actual dose that we're giving is 0.09 mils in the muscle. Our patient is ASA class 1. We're doing a spay on her today. She has had a previous physical exam and everything checked out okay. Alright, so I'm just going to go over my calculations for my patient. Like I said, we're 7.8 pounds, 3.5 kilograms. So for our pre-med, we're going to be using hydromorphone. Hydromorphone is going to be an opiate. That's the class of drug that it is. Our concentration is going to be 2 mg per ml, and our dose is going to be 0.05 mg per kg. And for figuring out our dosage that we're going to give the patient, we're just going to do cross multiplication. So you'll take your dosage, 0.05 mg per kg, and you're going to multiply that by your weight in kilograms of the patient. So 0.05 times 3.5 equals 0.175. So we're going to divide that by 2 mgs for concentration to get the mils. So it's going to be, we're just going to round this off to 0.09 mils IM. And then for our induction drugs, we're going to be using ketamine, which is an NMDA antagonist. And then midazolam is going to be our benzodiazepine. So for that, our concentration for ketamine is 100 mg per ml. Our dose is 11 mg per kg. Same as for our cross multiplication there. So we're going to take 11 times 3.5, and then we're going to divide that by 100. And it's going to be 0.4 mils, and that's going to be IV. And then for our midazolam, our concentration of that is 5 mg per ml, and our dosage is 0.25 mg per kg. So same for that cross multiplication, so 0.25 multiplied by 3.5 kilograms. You're going to get 0.875, and then you're going to divide that by 5. So you're going to get 0.18. Just going to round that to the next decimal mils IV. Okay. And then for our oxygen flow rate is going to be 50 mils per kg per minute. And then to calculate that, 50 times we're going to do 50 mils times 3.5 or kilograms times our minutes, which is going to be for 60 minutes. And it's going to be 10,500. So to convert that to liters, it's going to be 1.5 liters of oxygen per minute. So our fluid rate is 10 mils per kg. Our patient weighs 3.5 kgs, so that's going to be 35 mils of fluids per our 3.5 kg patient. So our hydro is going to be 0.09 mils IM, ketamine 0.4 mils IV, midazolam 0.18 IV. Our oxygen flow rate is 1.5 liters, and our fluid rate is going to be 35 mils. And we're just going to get the doctor to go ahead and look over our calculations before we start. Looks good. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and pre-medicate her. She's going to sit in a cage for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we're going to continue to check on her. May vomit, but then we'll go ahead, once she's pre-meded, we'll go ahead and bring her out, induce, and everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and give it in the muscle. Make sure there's no air bubbles. And then I got the correct drug. So you just want to pull back on the syringe and make sure there's no blood. And then, like I said, we're going to go ahead and monitor for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and go from there.